Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to add your WhatsApp number on Instagram. In this updated guide, we will walk you through the simple steps to seamlessly integrate your WhatsApp number with your Instagram profile. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. Select Edit Profile from the menu that appears. Scroll down on the Edit Profile page until you find the Contact Options section. Tap on it to expand the available contact options. From the list of contact options, select WhatsApp Business Phone Number. Enter your WhatsApp number in the provided field. After entering your WhatsApp number, tap on Send Code to verify the number and complete the process. And there you have it. Your WhatsApp number is now successfully added to your Instagram profile. This will make it easier for your followers and customers to connect with you directly through WhatsApp. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. See you next time.